Birds are a special type of animal that can fly due to their wings and feathers. They are part of a group called aves and are related to dinosaurs. Today we will be talking about 10 facts about birds that very few of us know. Our first bird on the list is albatrosses. Albatrosses are large seabirds that are native to the Southern Ocean and the North Pacific Ocean. They have the largest wingspan of any bird, measuring up to 12 feet across. Our second bird on the list is kiwi. Kiwi birds are flightless birds native to New Zealand. There are 5 species of kiwi, all of which are threatened or endangered. Kiwi are nocturnal and are known for their long, thin beaks and unique nostrils, which are located at the tip of the beak rather than on the front of the head. They have a strong sense of smell, which they use to locate insects and other small invertebrates to eat. Kiwi are also known for their distinctive calls, which are used to communicate with one another in the dark. They are shy, elusive birds and are difficult to spot in the wild. However, they can be found in various conservation areas and wildlife sanctuaries throughout New Zealand. Our bird number 3 on the list is penguin. Penguins are flightless birds that are native to the southern hemisphere, particularly Antarctica. The penguin is the only bird that can swim, but not fly. Penguins are adapted to living in cold, marine environments and are skilled swimmers. They have streamlined bodies, webbed feet, and wings that have evolved into flippers, which help them swim through the water. Penguins primarily eat fish, but some species also feed on squid, krill, and other small marine animals. They are social birds and often form large colonies, where they mate, rear their young, and molt. Our fourth bird on the list is condor. Condor is native to South America and the largest flying bird in the world, with a wingspan of up to 10 feet. There are 2 species of condors, the Andean condor, which is found in South America, and the California condor, which is found in the United States. Both species are endangered, with the California condor being particularly critically endangered. Condors are scavengers, feeding on carrion, dead animals, that they find on the ground. They are one of the largest flying birds in the world, with wingspans of up to 10 feet. They are black or black and white in color, with a distinctive bald head and a large, hooked beak. Condors are considered symbols of power and strength in many cultures, and have played a significant role in the mythology and folklore of many Native American tribes. Bird number 5 on the list is ostrich. The ostrich is the tallest and heaviest bird in the world, weighing up to 150 pounds and standing up to 9 feet tall and native to Africa. Ostriches are adapted to live in arid and semi-arid regions, and they can go without water for extended periods of time by obtaining moisture from their food. They are herbivores, feeding on a variety of plants, seeds, and fruit. Ostriches are known for their ability to run very fast, and they can reach speeds of up to 45 miles per hour. defending themselves and their young, and will use their powerful legs to kick if they feel threatened. Number 6th on our birds list is crow. Crows are known for their high levels of intelligence and problem-solving abilities. They belong to a family of birds known as corvids, which also includes jays, ravens, and magpies, and are considered to be some of the most intelligent birds in the world. Crows have been observed using tools, solving complex problems, and exhibiting flexibility in their problem-solving abilities. They have also been known to use and create distractions to obtain food and to communicate with each other through a variety of calls and displays. In terms of social behavior, crows are known for their strong social bonds and ability to cooperate with each other to solve problems and achieve shared goals. They have also been observed exhibiting grief and other complex emotions. Overall, the intelligence and problem-solving abilities of crows make them fascinating animals to study and observe in the wild. Number 7th on our birds list is the hummingbird. Hummingbirds are small, colorful birds known for their ability to fly in any direction, including backwards and upside down. They are found in the Americas and are known for their fast metabolism, which requires them to eat frequently to fuel their high energy needs. Hummingbirds are attracted to bright, colorful flowers and feed on nectar using their long, thin beaks. They are also able to hover in place by rapidly flapping their wings, which can beat up to 80 times per second. In terms of behavior, hummingbirds are known for their territorial behavior and will defend their territory, including their food sources, from other hummingbirds. They are also strong migrators, and some species travel long distances, often over open water, to reach their wintering grounds. Overall, hummingbirds are fascinating birds that are known for their small size, bright colors, and unique flying abilities. Our number 8 bird on the list is Hortson. The Whatzine, also known as the stinkbird or canch pheasant, is a large, pheasant-like bird found in South America. It is known for its strong, pungent smell, which has been described as resembling cow manure. The smell is produced by the Whatzine's digestive system and is thought to help protect the bird from predators. Whatzines are found in a variety of habitats, including swamps, marshes, and riverine forests. They are omnivorous and feed on a variety of plants and small animals. In terms of behavior, Watsins are known for their strong family bonds and cooperative breeding behavior. The female Watsin lays 2 to 3 eggs, which are incubated by both the male and female. The chicks are also cared for by both parents and older siblings. Overall, the Watsin is a unique and interesting bird with a distinctive smell and strong family bonds. The number 9th bird on our list is the Kea bird. These birds are known for their intelligence and problem-solving abilities. They have been observed using tools, such as sticks, to obtain food, and are also known to playfully interact with humans and other Keas. They have even been observed dismantling car engines for fun, which has led to them being called the clowns of the mountains. They are also Keas are highly social birds and often form large flocks. They are omnivorous and feed on a variety of plants, insects, and small animals. They are also In terms of behavior, Keas are known for their playfulness and curiosity, which sometimes leads them to cause mischief, such as damaging vehicles or attacking sheep. However, they are also intelligent and adaptable birds and have been observed adapting to a variety of environments and changing their behavior in response to new challenges. Overall, the Kea is a unique and intelligent bird known for its playful and curious nature. Our 10th and the last bird on the list is peregrine falcon. The peregrine falcon is a large, powerful raptor known for its speed and agility. It is found on every continent except Antarctica and is known for its ability to reach speeds of over 240 miles per hour while diving, making it the fastest animal on Earth. Peregrine falcons have long, narrow wings and a streamlined body, which allow them to fly quickly and maneuver through the air with ease. They are carnivorous and feed on a variety of birds, including other raptors, as well as small mammals. In terms of behavior, peregrine falcons are known for their territorial behavior and will defend their territory, including their nesting sites, from other peregrine falcons. They are also highly migratory and some populations travel long distances to reach their wintering grounds. Overall, the peregrine falcon is a magnificent bird of prey known for its speed and agility. Please subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. Thank you for watching.